Hey everyone, it's Wizard1 Canada bringing you another video. This is just out of the blue. So my Tile Pro Sport stopped working. It doesn't do anything, so I'm going to try to see if they say the battery can't be replaced, but we're going to try anyways to see if we can get this replaced. So I have a heat gun here, and I'm not sure what battery this uses, so I have some random batteries I have at home. So let's heat this up and see if we can figure out a way to open this up and replace the battery, so I don't have to spend another, like 40, 50 bucks to get another one of these. I know the new ones you can replace the batteries, but these old ones apparently you can't replace. So let's heat this up and see how this goes. Okay, that's a little too hot. It might have actually melted it a little bit, but okay, we'll try anyways. It's dead anyway, so it doesn't really make a... Ow, it's hot. Doesn't make a big difference. So let's see. I'm assuming this is going to be a point of... Ow. Be a point of entry here. Oh, looks like we have some movement. Okay, looks like we're good. We're in. Hopefully I didn't damage any of the electronics, but it seems like we're in. Okay, so we are in. So yes, it looks like there's some adhesive here, so I'm gonna have to get like some super glue or something to glue this back in. But that's the... Okay, so it's completely out. Okay, I see how it is. So that's the tile with this battery, and it's a CR2032. So let's... Okay, it's just taped on the board, so we'll slowly pry that off. Okay, so the battery is out now. So let's see. So now that it's replaced, make sure it fits back into the box or the holder. I think we're good. So let's see if we can test it and see if it'll trigger my phone. Okay. So it looks like it's successful. So I just replaced the battery and it works. It doesn't seem to make the sound. Oh, that's why. So normally when I trigger the tile, it makes some sounds, audible sounds. I realize that's probably because this here is the actual speaker, and then that is the rest of it, and that's, I guess, the wireless antenna. So I'm going to, I guess, try to glue this back together, and then I should be back to perfectly able to use this tile by replacing the battery. So let me just go get some glue. Okay, so I'm back. I have some glue from Dollarama. Let's put this back together and we should be good to go, I guess. So how did this work? This goes here like that. Like that. Let's get some glue. Let's put this down. Okay, so that's there. Let's put this somehow back together. I think that works. Need a little more glue there. Let's see if it makes a sound now and see if it activates my phone. Okay, so it makes a sound. Perfect. So yeah, I guess a successful replacing of the battery of this tile. It looks like I sort of screwed it up a little bit because I did it too hot. So the plastic melted or warped a little bit. So try not to, I know if you're using an actual heat gun, use a lower setting. Alternatively, you could probably use hair dryer or something instead. But yeah, we're back to business. Awesome. Please subscribe to this if you enjoyed and found this video helpful. You'll get more notifications whenever I post up more helpful or unboxings. You'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching and have a great night.